Can you save money with a Ductless Mini Split System for your Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania home? Yes! Big savings are on the way when you choose a Mitsubishi Mini Split heating and cooling system. The savings start the second you install a Mini Split System. Let's count the ways. The first problem that gets solved when you go ductless is that you no longer force air through a maze of ductwork. Ductwork develops leaks, tears, and holes that can cause an energy loss of up to 30%. Yikes! The second way to save is due to the ultra-high efficiencies of a Mitsubishi Mini Split System. Mitsubishi uses inverter technology, which is the modern and energy-efficient technology that allows you to save on your Pittsburgh home's monthly heating and cooling bill. Thirdly, you may even qualify for rebates and incentives on Ductless Mini Split heat pump. Many Mitsubishi Mini Split systems are ENERGY STAR rated and may qualify for further savings. Many Pittsburgh homeowners report saving up to 50% on their utility bills while they increase their home comfort. Mitsubishi Mini Splits are flexible in design, so you can heat and cool one room, one area, or the whole house. What will you do with the money you save? Find out by calling Home Mechanix, the leading mini split contractor serving Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. They're a Mitsubishi Diamond Contractor, Home Advisor Elite Contractor, and recognized nationally as a Ductless All-Star. It doesn't get any better than that. Call 412-223-7730 today.